Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva transparent background. In order to do that, just open any project that you want and then scroll down right here until you can see the option for apps. Now for this app right here, just head over and click on that until it opens this window. Search in here for QR, and then from in there this will show you some apps that has QR. Just choose this again QR right here. Click on open right there, and then you can turn your QR code vibrant with just this one, and then let's just wait for this right here, and then just put in here the link of the QR content that you want. So for example, let's use this one, and then you can use in here some templates they have. You can choose the color scheme that you want as well, and for the background you can expand it and make sure that the background is actually transparent in that case. So for that, you can head over and click on this add a design, and then this will load, and then as you can see it's been added. What you can do in this case is you can head over and then click on the share option, click on download, and then for this one, make sure to choose PNG right here in order to click on this transparent background and download it all together. So that's how you create a QR code in Canva transparent background. Hope we help.